I actually got this washing machine second hand through Facebook. Paid £25 for it, and do you know what? It's a really good washing machine. So we thought we'd chuck a pineapple in there and see what happens to it. But I really like this washing machine, it's brilliant. It's old, but it does the job.
But it's an old rolling washing machine.
Seal's got mould in it, which we can't seem to scrub out, but it's not a problem. Oh, we've got a crack in the pineapple.
I can eat that bit.
Ew.
Pineapple in the washing machine.
I'm just about to see it. And then we will see what it looks like in the end. So yes, this is the Hotpoint Futura with everything disconnected. My son has put some play foam inside. Do you want to give it a spin from the back? Okay. The bearings were gone when we first got it. We got it for free. But it's all been disconnected. My son loves washing machines and loves to spin them, so we actually did quite a cool bonfire in here the other night, which looked really good at night time. The drum was glowing. It's lost all of its paddles, so where we've chucked bricks and all sorts in there, yeah, it's all smashed. You can see where the fire damage is, and now we have foam. It's good fun. Good fun. See on top here. So it has all the display cables are out. Everything's been disconnected. Just kind of hooked a